Are you an outdoor professional looking for a tough walk-behind flail mower that is designed for uneven terrain and mowing brush on slopes? The Cyclone Flail Mower by Orec, armed with its dual-track drive, is exactly what you've been searching for. The Cyclone utilizes the mulching power of 38 spinning flail blades which rotate in an upcut motion, thereby pulling entire weeds and brush up, then mulches everything into fine, little pieces. Powered by an 8.5 horsepower Honda GX270 engine, the Cyclone Flail Mower is a beautiful machine to watch in action as it knocks down the brush, sucks the brush underneath the mowing deck, leaving mulch perfection in its wake. The Cyclone's cutting width of 25.6 inches makes it an ideal size for maintaining trails, crop rows, and maneuvering around obstacle-filled terrain we all encounter daily. The cutting height is adjustable, allowing users to mow brush as low as 2 inches to as high as 4 inches. This powerful walk-behind brush mower will take on saplings and climb slopes of up to 20 degrees. For outdoor professionals that would prefer to stand while mowing brush on mostly level ground, the track version of the Cyclone has an optional sulky attachment that can be added to the back of the machine. In the world of landscaping, small plot farming, and property maintenance, time is money, and using the right equipment saves precious time and patience. When it comes to managing large, overgrown areas full of vines, invasive species, tall grass, and saplings, your team needs to be equipped with the Cyclone to get the job done correctly using the least amount of labor.